I know it's been such a long time since. Okay, good morning, guys. So I know it's been such a long time since I made a video, but today I had to make a quick little video. Don't mind my dog. I had to make a quick little video because I'm finna run to the Apple store to go get the iPhone 13. So this is my old one. So I got my old one in my hand, and I'm going to go pick up the new one. And I figured since I made a video about it many years ago, I could make another one right now. So I'm about to drive to the Apple store. We taking Sasha along with us. So let's go. I know my lashes look so crazy, but I'll see you guys when I get over to the Apple store. Okay, y'all, so I went to Apple, picked up the phone, got it right here. I'm finna do this unboxing very quickly, very quickly, because yeah. So it looks like this. I didn't have the 12, so I didn't get, well, this is what the 11 box looked like. It was much thicker. This is much thinner, I feel like, because it only comes with the, as I've heard, it only comes with the cord. It don't even come with the charger box, but whatever, because I already got a charger box. So I just peeled that sticker off at the top, and then there's one at the bottom I'm gonna peel off. And then I broke my nail too. So this phone looked really nice, y'all. I wouldn't even lie. I like it because it look, I don't know, like it looked frosty. It looked like, I don't know. I'm making a TikTok. Alright, y'all. Hey, Sasha. So this the phone. This is the phone. It got a little white screen protector on it, but this is how the back look. Do y'all see what I'm talking about? Like it looked frosty. And then all that came in the box is, like I said, the charger cord. And then inside here is the thing to pop out the SIM card. And they give you one Apple sticker this time. Usually it used to come with two, but this time it comes with one. So I actually need this SIM card thing because I got my old phone with me, and I'm just gonna transfer everything over. So, oh gosh, I get excited because, like, it's a new phone. Like, I don't know, like when you get your nails done, when you get your lashes done, which I need to do those two things, but let's see. Let me see if I could get, nah, I probably won't be able to. I wanted to see if I could record taking this. Okay, so we finna take this off right now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We took it off, y'all. We took it off. Look at that. It looks so, like, do y'all see me recording on this iPad in the car? It's so clear. It's just so, like, Let me put the screen protector on, y'all. So I bought a screen protector, and I bought the case, the clear case. I would have got a color, but I was like, I want to show, like, I don't ever really get clear cases. I usually always get like one of their silicone colored cases, but I was like, I'm gonna let this blue show today. I'm gonna let the blue show today. So I'm gonna apply this thing really quickly. Alright, y'all, so I put the screen protector on. It was kind of easy, actually. So let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. You turn it on right here. And the case that I got is a clear case, so it's just one of those if you guys never seen one before. Okay, so the first thing it says, it starts to write. It just starts to write to you in different languages, so that's cool. But I want the English. Oh my god, this looks so cool. This looks so cool. Okay. Okay, so let's set it up. Hold on, guys. So it's asking me if I want the different languages. So I'm gonna choose English, United States, quick start. Bring your iPhone near this iPhone. No, I want to start fresh. I don't want mute. And it's charged. Apple knew what they was doing, yo. Because sometimes they will really give you iPhones and it's about to die. I don't know why. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So we gonna sit down and wait because I got nothing but time on my hands. I got nothing but time. Confirm your phone number. Should match the one provided. If you want to use a different number. This is my number. Next. All in like a every time I catch my feelings like I'm in the bottle. And you probably find my heart somewhere lost in Nevada. Y'all see her sleep? Y'all, my mama not replying fast enough. Thank you. I'm finna turn the car off. I should have had the car off. I don't know why I had it running so long. I woke you up, baby. Go back to sleep. Sorry. Sorry. Mama is sorry. Y'all, this is so exciting. It says it again. Hello. Hello from the other side. Okay, so it's asking the regular questions that they always ask. Y'all, I broke my fingers. Anyway, never mind. Face ID. Let me set this up real quick, y'all. Hold on. Face ID is set up. Create a passcode. What is given? What is the passcode given right now? Do I even want to make a like, I'm so happy right now. Do I even want a passcode on my phone? What's next? Restore, transfer directly. Don't transfer apps or data. I want to start. Okay, so, hold on. Okay, so I've had time to really sit and play with the phone. I've set everything up, messages, everything I've set up. So I'm gonna give my old phone to my mom. So I'm ready to restart the old phone and go. It's really cool. Actually, I haven't tested out the camera feature. So let's see. You could do cinematic mode in selfie. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. So I can record my YouTube videos. So